everyone, and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap last week's market action and discuss our game plan for Monday. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Well, guys, last week was a pretty disappointing one when it comes to small caps. We just aren't seeing a lot of multi-day runners. That's where you make the big money. When a stock can run for a few days, that's when the bank, you see that your trading account really rise. Now it's more like 1 day and done. It's okay for day traders, but it's actually better for short sellers as they can just keep selling these rallies. Look at just two of the names with big short interest. AI topped out just above 48. Been relentless selling all week. Again here, I traded from both sides. It's a great trader. I'm watching $30, so that's the next support level. 30 must hold. RSI is still only 47, so we could easily see more downside. The 34.68, the pivot high has been broken. We got two pivot high supports. Again, that's 30.92 and 29.98. So that's what we'll be watching next. But again, we're getting insider selling. Almost 950,000 shares, about $35 million were dumped on Friday. Just non-stop dilution, and that is what's hurting AI. Same with Carvana. Great trader from both sides. $20 is the next support level. We topped here for AI, it was above 48. For Carvana, it was above 28. And what can't go higher must go lower. RSI on the daily is still elevated at 56. So again, we could easily see more downside in Carvana. So I'll be watching this one this week. Among the penny stocks on our watch list, just 5 were noteworthy last week. First up, Finger Motion, FNGR was up 68% for the week. HUT, Hut 8 Mining Corp, up 41%. This is a Bitcoin mining play. I said, guys, last week that that was a focus here at InsiderFinancial.com, that Bitcoin was looking, had support at 25,000. And we bounced off that as excitement is building over ETF applications, and then there's also going to be a leveraged ETF futures application, futures ETF coming. So that's what's got the market excited. And I got the pivot levels here: 24,750 critical level here, and then 31,050. That is the pivot high from back in April, running into resistance right there. BTBT, another Bitcoin mining play, was up 39% last week. WORX, WORX, up 38%. Just an $8 million market cap. So this one's going to see a lot of swings continuing. So we'll be playing this one again this week. And lastly, another Bitcoin mining play, HIVE, was up 33%, closed on the high of the day. Like I said, with Bitcoin above 30,000, expecting more follow through in a lot of these plays. It's a higher price. I know some of you guys, want penny stocks, under $5. But I still like Mara, M-A-R-A. I think this is the best play, best Bitcoin miner. Almost 40% of the float is short. A lot of liquidity, big trader. Really like the action in Mara. Next up, a few of the short squeeze plays that we're watching. BIG, 39% of the float is short. A good Friday. It was a good Friday, up 10%, but really up just 1% for the week. So on a weekly basis, rather lackluster. Root, ROOT, 23% of the float is short. Buyout offer at 19. Board most likely won't accept. This chatter on Stock Twitch is $19.34 is a pathetic offer. This and that is being generous, knowing how this company operates and does not care about shareholders. They might not accept. They might accept some lowball offer. When you look at the reverse split and everything, where this one was trading at $50. So again, very, very disappointing, and they have a fiduciary responsibility to get the best price. But if the business is deteriorating, maybe they should take that buyout offer. I'm not going to weigh in here either way. For me, it is just simply a trade. Again, if they're not going to do it, the stock's going to keep coming down. So I will play it from the short side. A couple of new names, GRNQ. We're getting a satellite launch on Tuesday. Volume is still light, not many paying attention. I think that will change. GreenPro incubated company to launch Malaysian satellite to lead ASEAN space economy. So pretty big deal. Not a lot of people are talking about this one, but I think that's going to change here. GreenPro Capital CEO Dr. C.K. Lee said, "We've been working with Casa X since year 2020, and their success is a prime example and case study of how the GreenPro business model develops shareholder value through our vast business portfolio. We are confident that Casa X will be successful in achieving their goal of becoming the first company in Malaysia to become a unicorn, a company valued at over $1 billion. Running into some trendline resistance here at 240. We closed above there, but continuation on this week will be signs of a clear breakout in GRNQ. MBOT was up 19% last week. It's on the verge of a breakout. We're running into trendline resistance right here. Needs to close above the 350 level, preferably $4, and then we could really get a move higher in MBOT. Next up is TRUP. This is a short squeeze play you want to put on your radar. 33% of the float is short. The company, together with its subsidiaries, provides medical insurance for cats and dogs on a monthly subscription basis in the U.S., Canada, Puerto Rico, and Australia. For those of you, during COVID, a lot of people got pets. People love their pets just like it's part of the family. They consider them just like their children. So people will spend money on their pets, and this is a play worth watching. Again, 33% of the float is short, so we can get some big movements here in TRUP either way. And lastly, guys, a couple of things to watch this week. On Monday, notable companies due to report include Carnival, CCL. The cruise line stock has been tipped by some analysts to raise full-year guidance. Options trading implies a double-digit swing for Carnival after the earnings report hits. We're also going to get all day. The 4-day Snowflake Summit 2023 is expected to give investors a deeper look at the company's latest innovations, use cases, and thought leadership. The summit will include a fireside chat on generative AI with NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang. On Tuesday, earnings watch include notable companies due to report include Walgreens Boots Alliance, WBA, Manchester United, MANU, and Jefferies Financial, JEF. On Wednesday, notable companies due to report include Micron Technology, MU, General Mills, GIS, and BlackBerry, BB. I can't believe still people are trading BlackBerry. Options trading implies a double-digit share price swing after American Outdoor Brands AOUT reports. And then at 9:30 a.m., Fed Chair Jay Powell, ECB President Christine Lagarde, and Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey will participate in the ECB Forum on Central Banking. At 5:30, Micron Technology will hold its earnings conference call. The stocks that correlate the closest to Micron the week after earnings are Qorvo, QRVO, Synaptics, SYNA, and AMD. Thursday, notable companies due to report include Nike, Paychex, Payx, McCormick, MKC, and Simply Good Foods, SMPL. Options trading implies a double-digit swing in share price for Rite Aid, RAD. And then all day on Thursday, we have AMC and AMC Preferred Equity Units. APE will be on watch as a two-day settlement hearing takes place in Delaware's Court of Chancery. Both stocks have swung wildly off developments in the stock conversion case. And then Friday, it is the last trading day of the quarter in the first half of the year, which means some window dressing with fund managers could take place in terms of adding on popular names such as Amazon, Alphabet, Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, Meta, and Nvidia to replace stocks on a losing streak that would show up on quarter end holding reports. There has been a slight historical correlation with the highest market cap stocks gaining in the last week of a quarter relative to the broad market, and the biggest decliners of the quarter seeing additional selling pressure. So in other words, the weakest names could see weakness this week, and the strongest names could rise this week. And then guys, the last thing I want to discuss is an article on Forbes about naked short selling. The title speaks for itself. The loony conspiracy theory threatening Wall Street. Not going to get into it. It basically says naked short selling doesn't exist. I've talked about this in the past. You know, MMTLP, you know, people are looking for a boogeyman, someone to blame, and they're blaming it on the naked shorts. This here is saying that naked short selling doesn't exist. I beg to differ. There's a lot of volume intraday coming from offshore, even through, you know, clearing firms. You have a lot of people, you know, just shorting stocks as day trades, not borrowing, not doing the proper locates, not doing the proper borrowing, and that is putting selling pressure on stocks. I mean, how else can you explain when a stock has, let's say, a 10 million share float and it trades 140 million shares on the day? That is buying and selling from both the long and the short side. Don't tell me they did a locate and they did a borrow. They did not. The broker dealer, the market makers are giving them carte blanche to freely sell the stock, and I think that's something that needs to be looked into. That's my take on naked short selling. As far as naked short selling, you know, like what happened with MMTLP, borrowing shares, people holding it overnight, you know, short sellers taking long-term bets against, you know, naked shorts. No short seller would do that because that's suicide, and no market maker, no broker dealer wants to be on the hook for locating if they didn't locate those borrows. So again, that's my 10 cents on it. And then there's a video, Adam Aaron talks about it, and he slams GNS CEO, says, you know, he can say this stuff, you know, his market cap's paltry, you know, our market cap's 2 billion plus. I cannot go out and say, you know, blame naked shorts and stuff, and it's worth watching. You know, he says he's looked into it. They looked into hiring this lawyer, said that, you know, he hasn't won many cases. You know, again, when GameStop, when AMC, when all that was going on, I mean, Adam Aaron, you know, he wants to pump his stock. So if he could have done this, he certainly would have. So again, you know, it's just when these companies go out of business, when the stock price is down, a lot of, you know, 99% of the time, it's bad management, bad business model, bad board of directors, etc. And, you know, guys, not every company goes up. Actually, most companies go down over the long run. So again, you got to be, you know, take the blinders off and start focusing on, you know, right now what's working is day trading. Swing trading will come back, but, you know, again, you got to adapt to current market conditions, and that is what's going on right now. I said nothing exciting here to report at insiderfinancial.com. Just not trying to be a downer or whatever, just trying to keep things real with you guys and help you guys make as much money as possible. Right now, cash is a great position. You want to be looking for singles, hit and run, get in, get out, move on to the next play. The markets will get hot again. Let's hopefully the second half of the year is better than the first half. But, in terms of stocks that we've covered, you can go into the magnifying glass, type in any symbol, see what we have to say. We post our watch list on insiderfinancial.com. The tickers are in the symbol. You can then watch the video and see what I have to say about these particular names. And then we do deep dives for our subscribers. We cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, and AI stocks. To get our small cap reports, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion. It's meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great trading week, everyone. Bye-bye.